Sir, can I lift that for you? I have a trolley. I'll keep it here. Here. That's okay. I wish I were like you. Oh my God. Super. என்ன பண்றீங்க?
Emphasis project manager at client T-Mobile.
T-Mobile.
Yes.
Very good, very good. Congratulations. நீங்க?
T-Mobile.
T-Mobile. Awesome, awesome. T-Mobile என்ன பண்றீங்க?
நான் project management and BO business.
Project management and BO. Okay, very nice, very nice. Where are you?
Chennai. Native வந்து வெள்ளூர்.
Okay.
இருக்குது சென்னையில்.
சென்னையில்.
பையன் B.Ed படிக்கிறான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இயர். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இயர் மை
சூப்பர். உங்க பையன் உங்க ஹைட் தானே?
ஹைட் தான்.
சூப்பர்.
Hey, பையன்.
What's your name? Sayovia. This is the first time. இதான் முதல் தடவை I've heard this name. Super name. Sayovia. Very nice. Which grade are you in?
Second grade.
You've got a beautiful smile. I got to tell you that. Honestly. Did anybody tell you that? Yeah, see, I told you. You got a beautiful smile. What is your name?
Sai.
Sai? Oh, Sai? Sayovia.
Sai. I like when it be called Sai.
Sai? Okay, all right.
Sai Dhruva.
Sai Dhruva. Sai Dhruva, what do you do? Which grade are you in?
I'm going to 6th grade.
6th grade. Okay, so where are you right now, based out of here in the US?
Kansas.
Kansas. Oh, very nice. So you flew down?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, nice. When did you come?
Came by
Oh, you came by car.
road trip.
You drew down?
Yes.
Okay.
I am from Dallas. I'm staying in Dallas.
You stay in Dallas?
Irving. Yeah, Irving.
Irving, yeah.
Yeah, my family is Chennai.
Okay.
I'm staying alone.
Oh, nice. எப்போ வந்தீங்க?
நான் இப்போ வந்து ஒரு 1.5 year ஆகுது.
1.5 years old.
நான் போயிட்டு வந்தேன் அதுக்குள்ள 1 year போயிட்டு வந்து
Very nice. Congratulations. Thank you. You got to connect with our team. இவர் வந்து டான், இவர் நாராயண, இவங்கெல்லாம் திருச்சி மக்கள்.
தஞ்சாவூர்ல தான் படிச்சேன்.
தஞ்சாவூர்ல தான் படிச்சேன்.
அடைக்கல் மாதா.
ஓ, அடடடடடா.
படிச்சது அடைக்கல் மாதா.
நீங்க உங்களை பார்த்த உடனே நான் நினைச்சேன் ஏதாவது ஒரு ரகல பண்ற காலேஜ்ல இருந்து இருப்பீங்க அப்படி.
அது எல்லா காலேஜும் திருச்சி எல்லா காலேஜுக்கும் வாலிபால் போயிருக்கேன். எல்லா காலேஜும் வாலிபால் போயிருக்கேன்.
ஓ, சூப்பர்.
காலேஜ் வாலிபால் போயிருக்கேன்.
ஓ, காலேஜ். சூப்பர் மாடல்.
Thank you.
Very nice. Thank you.
I'm going to every day 3 hours. Every day. Yeah, 2 hours cardio, 1 hour muscle.
Beautiful.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Oh,
You
super,
are
yeah.
so much inspiration. நான் பார்த்து நிறைய ஸ்கூல் பசங்க மீட் பண்றது நிறைய வீடியோ பார்த்திருக்கேன் நான்.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Nice to meet you.
He's the man. Alvarna, let's just give me 2 minutes. I'll be right there.
Only 2 minutes தான். நான் டைம் பார்ப்பேன்.
இல்ல நீங்க நம்ம இப்போ படம் எடுத்துக்கலாம்.
அதெல்லாம் இல்ல. நான் டைம்
2 minutes. Okay. Oh, awesome. Thank you. நல்லா இருக்கு. நீங்க திருச்சி தானா? What do you do?
இப்போ வந்து கன்சல்டன்சி நேஷனல் ஐடிசிஎஸ்ல இருந்தேன். இப்போ வந்து வால்மார்ட்ல இருக்கேன்.
Walmartல இருக்கீங்க.
He's a GIS researcher.
Oh, you're a
நான்
GIS layer. Okay.
Information system.
Okay. But GIS layer, there is a lot of opportunities.
Just 1 month back he got his EAD actually.
Okay.
So we are looking opportunity
Okay, do you want any help with that?
Yeah, JS related means
Opportunities இருந்ததுனா good. Okay. Narayanji, Donji, one of you. What's your name? Madhavan. இவர் வந்து திருச்சிக்காரர்.
Wow.
மேடமோட ஹஸ்பண்ட். Okay, he has worked in GIS.
okay. MTech remote sensing and
Not yet.
No. Okay, so tell me about. So you have a YouTube channel?
yeah.
Really? First of all, what's your name again?
Harini.
Harini, correct? So when did you start your YouTube channel?
A few months ago.
A few months ago. Okay, and what does your YouTube channel do? What do you post about?
Just random.
Just random stuff? Okay, very good. How many followers do you have?
53.
Oh, nice. You know what? If you have one follower on YouTube, it means the content what you're putting is good. If you get 100 followers, it means that you can grow to millions. All right, do you want to get there? I want to get there as well.
Just 1 month back only started.
So, Kandipa, you like doing it? Okay, so continue to do that. Most importantly, whatever you like doing, right, just do that. You don't need to fine tune, you don't need to adjust, you don't need to tweak to something, you know, people will find you. All right? What other questions do you have for me? Just ask me any random question.
The YouTuber is shying. That's not good.
Our picture போட்றோம் அப்புறம் வீட்டுக்கு போட்றோம்.
Awesome.
We'll come up
Good
with
job,
question
Harini.
and next time we'll pose the question, right?
So, Harini, if you have any question, your mom has my number. Okay, anytime you have a question, you let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you. Okay, always here to help. Thank you, dear. Thank you so much. All right.
Thank you.
Cool. Vanga. Super. Thank you, sir. All right, take care. Hi there.
My friend,
How are you?
he owned this from India.
Very nice. What's your name?
Vaidi.
Sorry, what's your name?
Vaidi.
Vaidi?
He worked for Walmart.
Arvind?
Arul.
Arul. Awesome.
He worked for Walmart.
You're with Walmart, is it? Oh, okay.
Bentonville.
What do you do for Walmart?
I'm an enterprise architect.
Very nice. Awesome.
So,
Awesome. Yeah, absolutely. If you can connect me, that'd be awesome.
so
Let's
Arul
connect.
is
Yeah.
doing the business
Okay.
from India. Just
Check.
check in.
ஓ ஏய் செக்கு என்ன அதான் எங்க வீட்டுக்கு பக்கத்துல செக்கு இருந்ததுங்க சூப்பர்
So that's why I just came.
வா வா வா
Actually, we are the pioneer of tin packaging.
Oh,
We
really?
create the revolution in the market, oil industry.
We're
Actually,
the
no
first cold press oil brand in India
really
tin
in
packaging.
2015.
oh wow
Since then, it,
so இது நாமக்கல்லையா
Yes.
okay so
We have a
yeah.
manufacturing
Both are
unit.
from IT.
Okay.
But they resigned, they started.
Oh, that is so cool. That is so cool. Congratulations. All the very best. All the very best.
thank you.
Very best. Super. So இதெல்லாம் எங்க இந்தியால manufacture பண்றீங்க
நாமக்கல்
oh wow so
அவங்களுக்கு
cool
மெம்பிஸ்ல தான் இது வேர் ஹவுஸ் வச்சிருக்காங்க.
oh Memphisல okay so sunflower oil groundnut oil sesame oil wow
We also have Gaster.
oh you have castor
Yeah.
oh very nice so have you gotten it into the Walmart stores yet
So not into Walmart yet because if you go into Walmart, it's
No, we are, our customers probably were looking for cold food kind of thing. Yes.
okay
It's premium product. We are leading brand in India. So there we are available in Swiggy, Instamart.
okay oh wow so இல்ல இங்க you so when did you start in the US
2019, but we
Okay.
gave the distribution to another person. So the performance was not that much. So
Okay.
we are taking over.
so let me ask you this question okay so are you a minority owned business no
It's a
okay
foreign.
when did you no did you incorporate you must have incorporated in the US as well it's a C corp right okay so let's do this so if you want to get into the retail outlets like Walmart or any other Costco or Sam's Club right it's easy to do that the way to get it done is first thing is you got to become a minority owned business minority certified business and I'll walk you through the entire process because I sit on the board of GMSDC, Georgia Education Foundation, so I know about GMSDC, NMSDC. So there is National Minority Supplier Development Council, right? So sourcing from minority suppliers. So that is an easier opportunity. It's an entry point for you to get products. So why do we have products in Costco and Walmart and Sam's Club? You have several products which come directly from India, like rice and all of that, right? So there is a process and a way to get in, and we are a certified MBE. So I know exactly the process. I'd love to help you all and get you there. So give me your contact information or card, or you can take down my number. You can text me back. And oh, sure, absolutely. இன்னொன்று வந்து நீங்கள் NMSDC மெம்பர் ஆகிட்டீங்கன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன் this is 1% of the actual conference size. When you come to NMSGC National Supplier Conference, it's happening in Atlanta in October. Close to about 900 corporations will have their booths, and the key buyers from each of these organizations. Retail can solli or tani outlet irukum, like the entire aisle. You'll get tired of talking to so many people, but if you have a certification, you will see the real buyers out there. You can get your product into the market like really, really quick.
இப்போ நீங்க input கொடுக்குறீங்கன்னா it's very easy
Yeah.
to
So I'll give you the entire insight. I've had, so this is what it is, right? What I do is, நம்ம தமிழ் மக்கள் இருக்குல்ல, நிறைய பேருக்கு இன்னும் the power of selling into corporate America பற்றி தெரியல. And that is how I grew. That's how we grew. All right? So how could we take the, and if you see மற்ற minorities இருக்காங்கல்ல, they have been able to master this. Because there is no other Tamil company which is actually coming and sharing that insight. And I just want to go and, last time on the conference, there were I invited 3 Tamil companies. They had come in, they got to know, now they are working the marketplace. So that's what we want to do. Okay, sure.
so எங்களுக்கு company name அகமகிழ்.
Agamagal.
Yes,
Okay.
அகமகிழ்ச்சி.
Oh, Agamagilchi. Okay.
Internal happiness.
Yeah. Come.
Aruna, come on. Yeah.
Is it like 100% ownership or 50-50? Got it. Because there is an opportunity if you're a woman-owned minority business. Like for example, what's your name?
Aruna.
Aruna. If Aruna owns 51% of the business, then you can go to WeBank conference as well. WeBank can say WBENC. WeBank it is purely women who are out there and women corporate buyers. Incredible opportunities there. But you don't need to be certified to go to a WeBank conference. You know what? Aruna, and you are? Arul. What's the name of your company?
அகமகிழ்.
Agamagil. Okay, the common challenge in America is, right? இதுதான் நம்ம கான்ஃபரன்ஸ்ல பேசிட்டு இருந்தேன். There are a lot of executives in IT and in other roles as well. They want to go the entrepreneurial route. மக்கள் அப்படியே யோசிச்சுக்கிட்டே இருப்பாங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் சைட் கிக் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஆத்துல ஒரு கால், சேத்துல ஒரு கால். That's what I say. You want to be into doing business, but these are 2 amazing entrepreneurs. They've quit their jobs and they've started this business. And I think it calls for all of us supporting them, rooting for them. We are rooting for you. Congratulations on all the success, and I want you to become the next big Tamil entrepreneurs in America.
Thank you so much.
All right? Awesome.
Nice meeting you. Thanks for
All right,
coming.
awesome.